Ron DeSantis. Can you pop up what the numbers are in Florida? The COVID numbers, Bradley. Can you see if you can find that?
Which are probably misleading because no one cares and is probably not getting tested.
Well, we may not know the test numbers, but we could probably get a sense of the death numbers. I mean, to the extent that Florida is even recording those anymore. I don't know if they are. Starting to go down in some areas are going up quite a bit. Madison and Alachua counties are starting to grow a little bit. Orange County seems to be getting a little hype. Miami-Dade had a 7% drop from their 13,000 daily average of cases.
They're 82% vaxxed too. So
unfortunately, because the 14-day lag, their deaths are up 146%. 83 people a day, hospitalized. Deaths, daily average 5 deaths. So they're losing a couple of people a day. You've got a lot of people, tens of people in each county that are hospitalized. And the vaccination rates in Miami-Dade, it's 82%. That's the highest anywhere in the state. Monroe County is 75%. And let's play this clip. They have a Florida Department of Health medical director that oversees areas of Orange County, including Orlando. I very well may go to Disney World for vacation with the kids in February. I'm a little nervous about that. It's possible, but I'm happy that there might be some high vaccination there. Was put on leave. Can you imagine why the medical director and the Florida Department of Health might be put on leave? Well, let's listen to this local news report from WFTV9 ABC.
In Orange County tonight, the State Department of Health just responded to our report that Orange County's top health officer was put on administrative leave. Good evening, I'm Greg Wormuth.
I'm Vanessa Eccles. That move came in the middle of the latest COVID surge. Investigative reporter Shannon Butler broke this major local story and joins us live in studio.
This guy must have gone out without a mask or something.
Is looking into whether Dr. Raul Pino broke any laws.
Ooh. Yeah, they are, Vanessa, in a statement. They didn't mention Dr. Pino's name, just calling him the employee in question. But reading the statement, it seems they're looking to see how Dr. Pino got information that he put in his email. Pino, in an email, did not tell people at the Department of Health they had to get vaccinated, but he did say the department had to cancel surgery, saying not being vaccinated put staff and others at risk of infection, and he called it irresponsible.
Pause it. What? Wait, pause it. This man wrote in an email to healthcare providers that it was irresponsible. In other words, causing them psychological distress and feeling guilty and maybe not feeling good about themselves. And he put this in an email. My God. My God. The horror.
Basically, Stalin.
Oh, my God. Mengele. Go back a little bit.
The fact that he had the gall to put it in writing.
Oh, he put it in writing. And that means that people read it over and over again. They could. You know, when you say it.
Right.
It goes
had
into
to get vaccinated, but.
Go ahead.
But he did say the department had to cancel surgery, saying not being vaccinated put staff and others at risk of infection, and he called it irresponsible.
Dr. Raul Pino has been the face of COVID-19 in Orange County, standing side by side Mayor Jerry Demings during the 100-plus news conferences at the county since the pandemic began.
So please get your child vaccinated.
But tonight, the respected health official is now on paid administrative leave. Sources tell us it came after this email he sent to Orange County Health Department employees on January 4th. In it, he wrote, quote, "I have a hard time understanding how we can be in public health and not practice it." He had an analyst run vaccination data for the employees, saying there were 568 active staff members at the FDOH, and only 77 had received a booster, going on to say that only 38.5% had 2 shots at all. Writing, quote, "I am sorry, but in the absence of reasonable and real reasons, it is irresponsible not to be vaccinated. We have been at this for 2 years. We were the first to give vaccines to the masses. We have done more than 300,000, and we're not even at 50%. Pathetic." The Department of Health issuing a statement tonight saying, quote, "As the decision to get vaccinated is a personal medical choice that should be made free from coercion and mandates from employers," adding that the Florida Department of Health is conducting an inquiry to determine
if any laws were broken in this case.
Wow.
Coerced me by calling me irresponsible.
You coerced me. You looked at broad health data on vaccination rates in government entities. HIPAA violation. You questioned my faith. You made me feel guilty. You made me feel like I was being irresponsible. That's a crime in Florida.
Yeah, I'm sympathetic to concerns that the mandate be used by corporations to trim people out, but in a field of public health, I'm sorry, like, you should practice public health.
Oh my God, you and your liberal dogma. Sorry. How about freedom? How about I practice freedom?
That's what we're doing.
I practice freedom on my patients. I mean, I just don't. I just don't understand, frankly, how. I mean, when I hear stuff like this and think like, oh, okay, well, this is going to bring the revolt of like people in Florida will be freaking out about this.
Nope.
Yep.
No, it's the opposite.
It is.
They're freaked out at Dr. Raul Pino.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Raul Pino.
He called them pathetic. Do you know what that feels like?
He didn't even call them pathetic. He said it's pathetic.
Oh, well, he called it's pathetic. Do you know what that feels like for it?
Because, right.
How about I have some empathy for it?
And that's very progressive of you.
Yeah, thank you. Unbelievable.